Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing my June Ipsy bag. And this is what the bag looks like this month. There was different variations, but I did get the red and pink one, but let's get right into it. First things first, this did not come in the bag because it was too big, but I want to keep these closed, so I'm going to give this away. These are the BioBell facial masks. I do have 2 of them in here, yes, but I'm going to be giving these away, so I want to keep them closed, but definitely cool. And they're chocolate, mulberry, and honey, so I mean, that's pretty cool. So it's the unicorn glow one, so, but I know somebody who wants these, so I don't want to open it. Get into it. I actually love this bag. I mean, obviously I like red, but cute little heart detail. I'm definitely gonna use this bag. This month's theme was flying colors. Cute little card here. But let's get into it. First things first, I got a Steve Laurent eyeshadow. I actually really like getting Steve Laurent products. I got several so far from BoxyCharm. If I can get this open. This is in the shade Green Apple. So let's see what it looks like. Whoa, whoa, this is super bright. I was not expecting that. Holy crap. That's awesome. I don't have really that many bright colors, but that'd be a fun little pop for summer. Why not? But yeah, that is that one. It is again in the shade Green Apple. That's definitely green apple colored. Next, I got this cute little liquid lipstick, and it is by Doce, I don't know how you guys want to say it. It is the Luscious Lip Stain, and it's in the shade Passion Peach. Super cute. I like getting little minis like these. And this is like a perfect, fun, flirty, summer color, so super cute. Is this Pixie Glow Tonic. I'm pretty sure this had stuff in it that I was allergic to, I'm pretty sure. But I am going to give this away to a friend because I know somebody who wants this. So I'm going to be giving away this and the face mask. So just as a heads up. And then the last thing I got was this really cute Luxie small shader brush. I absolutely love getting Luxie brushes, and I feel like super spoiled because I also got some Luxie brushes in my BoxyCharm. But look at, I need actually more of these little small shader brushes so I could get more details with my eyeshadow. So really like these. These are perfect for packing on color, wetting your brush, and really getting a nice dense flow of color. So really love this, and I love Luxie brushes. I think they're really great. Alright, so that was it for my Ipsy bag. I really love Ipsy. I'm going to be taking a break from it for a little bit. I'm still going to keep BoxyCharm, but I am still trying to Project Pan, so that is why I'm just taking a little bit of a break from it. I want to use some more products that I got. I've also been decluttering and all that, so keep an eye on my channel and subscribe if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I'm taking a little break. I'm sure I'll be back, but I'm keeping BoxyCharm, so if you like watching those are still going to be happening. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.